Are you planning to travel to Indonesia to support the Vietnam football team next week?
Yes, I am looking for flight tickets to Jakarta online right now.
Which airline do you prefer for this direct flight from Hanoi?
I prefer a morning flight because it gives us more free time.
That is a great idea for our quick travel schedule this weekend.
We should also book a clean hotel room near the football stadium.
I will check the hotel booking app to compare prices right away.
Please choose a comfortable place with good customer service and breakfast.
I found a nice hotel that is only 2 kilometers from the venue.
That location is very convenient for us to travel to the match.
Do we need to buy our match tickets online before we leave?
Yes, stadium tickets for this big game are selling out very fast.
I will reserve 2 seats in the visitor section for Vietnamese fans.
Thank you. That will make our fan experience much more fun.
Now our plane tickets, hotel room, and match tickets are all ready.
I am very excited to see Coach Kim Sang-sik lead our team.
He faced a lot of pressure after the previous match against Singapore.
I hope our team plays well and wins this important away match.
We should pack red shirts to wear at the stadium tomorrow evening.
Red is our lucky color and shows great support for our players.
We have just landed safely at the international airport in Jakarta.
Let us take an official taxi directly to our hotel main entrance.
The driver says the city traffic is quite heavy this afternoon.
That is normal for a big city on a major match day.
Good afternoon. We have a reservation for 2 nights at this hotel.
The receptionist is very polite and gave us our room keys quickly.
Can we ask the front desk about the best route to stadium?
They recommend taking the local subway to avoid the street traffic.
Using public transport is cheaper and faster for all football fans.
Let us rest for 1 hour before heading out for dinner.
Would you like to try some famous Indonesian food at this restaurant?
Yes, I would love to order fried rice and grilled chicken.
The waiter is very friendly and speaks good English to customers.
Look, there are many Vietnamese fans sitting at the next table.
Let us say hello and talk about our predictions for the match.
They believe Vietnam will score early and win by 2 goals.
Coach Kim prepared good tactics for this difficult match away from home.
I hope midfielder Hai Long gets a chance to start the game.
He played very well in recent training sessions back in Vietnam.
Yes, every player must give 100% effort on the pitch.
It is time to leave our hotel and go to the stadium.
The subway station is crowded with fans wearing different colored jerseys.
The atmosphere outside the stadium is loud and full of excitement.
Let us check our tickets at gate number 4 over there.
The security staff is checking bags very carefully for safety reasons.
That is good service to keep everyone safe inside the stadium.
We have found our seats in row 10 with a clear view.
The green pitch looks fantastic under the bright stadium lights tonight.
He is wearing his lucky black shirt for this crucial match.
The referee blows the whistle and the match officially begins now.
Vietnam is playing with high energy and passing the ball quickly.
Goal! Vietnam just scored a wonderful opening goal in first half.
All the Vietnamese fans in our stand are cheering so loudly.
Midfielder Hai Long made an amazing pass to set up that goal.
Defender Tien An is also defending very strong on the right side.
Now it is full time and Vietnam won 3-0.
This 3-0 victory away from home is an incredible result today.
The players are coming closer to thank all traveling Vietnamese supporters.
Everyone is clapping their hands and taking memory photos together happily.
Let us go to a quiet cafe to read the news.
I am reading the post-match interview with Coach Kim online.
What did Coach Kim say about this 3-0 away victory?
He said obtaining 3 points makes our team future very bright.
Did he express his sincere thanks to all the dedicated fans?
Yes, he thanked fans at the stadium and watching on television.
He also shared a funny story about his lucky black shirt.
He told his wife that he threw away the white shirt.
That shows he was able to release his big mental pressure.
He praised Hai Long and Tien An for their excellent effort.
Tomorrow morning we will fly back home to Vietnam safely.
I should call our hotel front desk to request late checkout.
The hotel staff is always helpful with our flight schedule requests.
This football trip was a wonderful travel experience for both us.
We learned many useful words about sports, travel, and services.
Practicing simple English sentences every day helps us speak more fluently.
I agree with you completely. Learning English through sports is fun.
Let us prepare our bags now and get a good sleep.
Good night, my friend. See you at breakfast tomorrow morning.
Good night. Have a peaceful rest after this exciting football day.